Taehyung's ideas had convinced YN that they would undoubtedly win the upcoming tender in 2 days. In the 2-hour-long meeting, Taehyung had proven why his online insider influencer company was ranked number 1. As soon as the meeting ended, YN asked Taehyung to join her for dinner. Hearing this, Suzy was shocked. She couldn't believe her ears. YN had invited someone to dinner. In a surprised tone, Suzy said, "Are you really my sister?" Because she never invites anyone for dinner. While walking out of the cabin, YN replied, "It's nothing like that, Suzy. Today, because of us, Mr. Taehyung and Jimin had to wait so long. This is just a way to make up for it." Jimin added, "If this is to make up for it, then we have no objections." He helped Taehyung get up from his chair. As they reached the ground floor, Jimin glanced at Min Young walking beside them and whispered to Suzy, "Will Miss Min Young be joining us for dinner too?" Suzy replied, "Of course. Actually, my sister and Miss Min Young have been old friends. If there's anyone in this entire Sky group as powerful as my sister and me, it's Miss Min Young." Hearing this, Jimin thought to himself, "It looks like this entire Sky group is filled with fierce vamps." First, it was just YN and Suzy, but now Min Young has entered the battlefield too. Just then, Taehyung arrived with his special edition car. YN, Min Young, and Suzy were left staring at it in awe. Looking at the car in amazement, Suzy said, "Is this really that special edition car made by King Group for a select few?" Jimin, getting into the car, remarked, "Miss Suzy, there's nothing to be so surprised about. There are still many things left that will shake the ground beneath your feet." Ignoring Jimin's words, Suzy turned to YN and said, "Sis, you take your car to the restaurant. I'm going with Mr. V. I have something important to discuss with him anyway." Hearing Suzy's words, YN and Min Young also got into their car and headed toward the restaurant. As they drove, Jimin asked Suzy, "So, Miss Suzy, what is this important discussion about? You can talk now, because we have other plans after dinner." Suzy took out her phone and showed a picture of Jungkook to Jimin. "You must know him. Right now, he's at the top of the modeling industry, and I've heard he's about to enter the K-pop world too. I just need to make him mine, no matter what." Jimin looked at her and thought to himself, she's totally obsessed with Jungkook. There's so much passion in her eyes for him. But I don't understand why you're so fixated on Jungkook. I mean, why does it have to be him? Jimin asked. Thinking about Jungkook, Suzy replied, "He's rich, handsome, and at the peak of his career. I don't think a girl could ask for more in a boyfriend or life partner." Taehyung then said seriously, "What about love? Doesn't love matter?" Recalling what happened last night with YN, Suzy spoke with a tinge of sadness. "My sis also loved someone deeply, but last night, he broke her heart. I was so furious that I even hired goons to beat him up, but sis stopped me. No matter how deeply you love someone, if they are not meant for you, you will never have them, no matter how much money you have." Hearing this, Taehyung thought about YN and said to himself, "She appears so strong on the outside, but her words hold such depth. I never would have imagined. There's something different about you, Miss YN." He smiled to himself. Meanwhile, Jimin, sitting in the car, felt a sense of dread. Even after everything that happened last night, she still hasn't changed her mind. That can only mean one thing. She will do whatever it takes to make Jungkook hers. He thought worriedly. Meanwhile, at Jeju Island, on a beautiful beach, Jungkook was taking a stroll when he suddenly started hiccuping. The constant hiccups were irritating him. Thinking for a moment, he said, "Who is remembering me so intensely? These hiccups just won't stop. Could it be Suzy? No, that's impossible. Jimin and Taehyung will surely find a way to save me." Just then, his hiccups became even stronger, making Jungkook even more frustrated. To be continued. Will Jimin and Taehyung be able to save Jungkook from this trouble? Will Taehyung secure the tender for Sky Group? Stay tuned to Love as a Deal to find out.